Okay, this time of the virus, corona everywhere, the hand sanitizers, any kind of sanitizers are in big shortage. We have to take advantage of the mantra sanitizer. It's a very powerful. Moment you go out of shopping during this time and come back to your home, first thing you have to do is take one or two droplets of water in your hand and chant this mantra. अपवित्र पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थामगतोऽपि वा यः स्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्ष सभाय अभ्यन्तर शुचिः. Then sprinkle these drops of water on your head from the Brahmarandra. So with this, what will happen is the complete sanitation, sabhaya abhyantara, external and internal purification is guaranteed, and all the viral droplets will be gone away. And maybe after purifying yourself with water, you can also do the achaman, and that will ensure the complete purification. So please meditate on Pundarikaksha while doing this. Pundarikaksha means Lord Vishnu.